Hi everyone and welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike. Normally I would show you this being unwrapped from the packaging, but I ordered quite a few things with Amazon yesterday, and for some apparent reason they sent them all in this like separate boxes, so I had to open them to figure out what was in what box, because I can't do an unboxing and then it's of something different that's not diamond painting. That could be a right kerfuffle, but we are going to do the unboxing like this, as you can see. I'm going to open it up, and any guesses so far? By the way, Fancels is still taking a bit of time. Apparently it's been handed over to the airline, but I reckon that's China because it's still stuck in customs at the moment. But this already feels really, really chunky. So get the drills again. See what I mean about the difference here? So you've got one in cellophane with no bags, and then some come with bags. So you never really know whether you're going to get bags, but I do keep them bags for like kitting up other things, like spares and that. So we'll get to the drills in a minute. But look at that. So this again is a 30x40, and this one's got 20 colours. And I saw this and I thought, that looks really, really lovely. You know, you've got some autumn sort of effect there. You've got autumn trees. You've got the sun beaming through. And you've also got yourself a little bridge. So you've got a bit of the cloud, which is up here. Then a bit of the sky and a bit of the river. A little bit annoying because the sky is like mingling in with the river, unless that is supposed to be the sky reflecting on the river. But either way, it's a beautiful, superb painting. I really quite like my autumn paintings. As I said, I am really trying to steer away from doing animals. I do so many animal paintings, and I really want to bring something fresh, you know, something different apart from animals all the time. About 90% of my paintings are all animal related, so yeah, I'm trying to steer away from it a bit. But yeah, so this is the autumn painting, so really, really good. Again, you've got your colour chart down here. The symbols are really quite good. I think it's going to be a lot of mingling of colours, but we'll put that over to one side and I'll show you what the jewels look like. Okay, so these are the jewels. You can get to the first one. Okay, so this is what the jewels look like. So you've got all sorts of wonderful colours there. Dark, bright red, that's very vibrant. A bit of yellow, orange. And what you can do, that's very vibrant, that orange. What you can do is, if you're working on a painting and you've lost some drills, always check drills in your future kits, because you may find one that matches, that can fill that hole. So that's why I never chuck away paintings which I've lost the colours to, because I know that they can crop up in different kits. But as you can see, that's a lovely colour there. Quite like that one. And very sort of like mushy pea green colour there, or lime. But yeah, as I said, if you do want to get this for yourself, I'll put the link in the description of the video. But I think that was absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, really, really lovely. So please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tap the bell if you want to be notified of all the videos I do. And I'll see you next time. Bye.